In this video, I will explain how to draw a line graph in Excel. So I have the data and I've already typed it into Excel here, and you'll notice that I'm highlighting the entire chart. When you do that, then you can click Insert, and then you can come over here to the chart area and look at the line graph here. If you'll click on the drop-down menu, you can choose any line graph that you want. I tend to choose the simplest because I want to keep it very simple in order to be able to make the easiest way for my data to be communicated. So if you want to change your chart title, you can. Social media followers. Then you also, I'll notice that my axes are not labeled. So I probably want to do that. So if I click that plus, then I get all of these options that I can add or take away. So I'll put my axes title. If you want to label your data, you definitely could do that. You've got lots of other things you can add here. I just want to add the axes titles. And then if I click on them and highlight them, this is number of, if I can spell today, this is number of followers. And of course, then this is just months. And then you can copy and paste this line graph into a Word document, into a presentation, whichever way you're going to be sharing this with the people that you're sharing it with. So if you have any questions, be sure to leave them below. Bye for now.